emanate as much love as we can, right? And not like a superficial light and love vibe, which is to me not the actual embodiment. I mean, that's just anyone can say that, but it's the being it, it's the embodying it, and then helping others see that and feel that as well. To me, that's the greatest gift that we can give to humanity right now. And our joy, our happiness, our and again, depending on how they utilize the words, but I believe that having fun and being like a child as much as we can is what is going to help us get through this next evolution of humanity, right? Yes, there are things to be heartbroken about every single day. If we allow ourselves to stay in that all the time, we would never be able to probably function, frankly. Our bodies are not designed to be inundated with this much heartache and heartbreak and trauma. We're not designed that way. So I think it's being very boundaried and protecting your energy and allowing yourself to, again, I keep saying embody, but it's like how much of that can we bring to the world? And the more we're dancing, the more we're laughing, the more we're loving, the more we're hugging, the more connected we are, the more conversations, the more we're dreaming, the more we're creating, the more we're making art, like whatever it is, right? Those are the ways we're going to anchor in a new way of being for humanity. And the only way we can do that is to get out of the really, I mean, we can talk about the dimensions, but like out of the third dimensional kind of day-to-day stuff and get to that higher level, to transcend to the higher level. And that's what we need to be doing. We're here for such a time as this to anchor in the new earth and the new way of being. And to me, that we do that through laughing and having fun and loving people.
Fantastic. So you've got a deeply spiritual context for your work, so
Yeah.
so which might not be what everyone might expect when they look at it. They might think, oh, fun, sparkle equals superficial, but clearly for you, absolutely not.
Well, there's two parts, right? There's the soul and the sparkle. And sometimes I lean more heavily to the sparkle where we have champagne on a yacht in Croatia and island hop. Okay. Or we're having cooking classes and wine tastings in the hills of Tuscany. That's lovely. Like that's fun and beautiful and joyful. And I do think we're here to enjoy, right? And then there's also the soul part, and there's deeply mystical, esoteric teachings that I think can transform us as individuals and as a society that I also am fascinated by. So I think I've always been a little bit of a hybrid, and I don't think there's anything wrong